Hi, it's Handy Val. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your air engine filter on a 2009 Audi A3. The filter I'm using is a Mann filter, C35 154. This is the engine air filter right here. There's eight Phillips screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I'm going to start removing the first screw. So you just want to be a little bit extra careful when you are taking these out. Now these won't go all the way out, but you just never know. You just got to make sure that they don't. So you're going to keep turning them. You're going to do all of them. Some of them are a little trickier to get to, but it's pretty standard fare. So you know, as high as they go without them falling out. Again, you don't want them to fall out, and nor will they fall out. They're specifically made not to go all the way out, which could create a problem if you're going to lose one. Okay. You've taken all 8 of them out, as you could tell. Again, I didn't go all the way up, but I went enough where the screw kind of just stops turning. So what you're going to want to do now at this point, maybe rest your screwdriver and see if they work. See if you've got it out, and in this case you do. There's the air filter. Now you're going to, depending on how long it's been here, you're going to want to kind of try to squeeze it out. As you can tell, this is a pretty dirty air filter. Hasn't been taken out in a while. It's maybe 4 or 5 years. So let's have a look at how a new filter should look like. Let's have a look at the new air filter and comparing it to the old. So that's quite the difference. It's not that this is meant to be, so that's how you could tell, quite dirty, quite clean. So it certainly needed to be changed. One thing I like to do, as you could tell, there's a little bit of dirt there. What I like to do is grab a microfiber, a little bit damp microfiber, and try to clean up a little bit of the dirt that's there. Vacuum could also work, but certainly a damp microfiber cloth will work. Fiber cloth, I'm just going to kind of go in there, clean a little bit of the edge around. You can tell there certainly is a lot of dirt out here. Again, you don't have to do this additional step, but I think it certainly helps. And you can tell on this part of it, see it's quite dirty on the inside there, so this will certainly help it. You don't want to get any of this into the engine, and therefore that's what this additional step is all about. Okay. Clean the upper part of it. You'll tell that you could easily notice that this piece just pulls out quite easily. And exposing the bottom of it, so you could get to it a lot easier with your microfiber rag. Bottom, you could tell over here, it's a lot cleaner. Doesn't necessarily need to be perfect. Now you could drop back your top, your little container there, and let's get the new filter. If you remember, the rubber part goes on the upside. Quite simply, you just want to kind of make sure you kind of got it going on the inside. The rubber part is on the inside of the plastic. Okay, so for example, you don't want it kind of doing that. See that part right there? You don't want that happening. You want to get it on the inside and all around on the inside. And once you've got that, next thing you're going to do is grab your plastic component, and you're going to want to try to line it up, line up your screws, and then tighten them. So what you're going to want to do is just, you know, kind of not do every screw all the way down. You just want to do maybe halfway down, get to all the screws, and then just rotate a couple times through them. Make sure you're going to want to go all around and make sure all of the screws are fairly tightened. In this case, I've gone through them a few times, so they're good. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this video did help you change your air filter on your Audi A3. Thanks for watching. Bye.